Hello everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Those of you who are here already subscribed, my wonderful subscribers, thank you guys so much for your support. Those of you who are here and have not yet subscribed, I hope you consider subscribing. Yes guys, today we'll be making this amazing boiled corn and I really want you guys to try this one. It is absolutely delicious and I promised you, your family and friends are definitely going to enjoy this one because we sure did. All right. I do also have another corn video on my channel. I would love for you guys to check that one out. That is another absolute crowd pleaser. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So these are all the ingredients that we will be using and they will be in the description box. So to a preheated pot, I added some oil and some butter and I'm using salted butter, half a stick. I'm going to add 1 medium diced onion, garlic, ginger, habanero pepper, saute for about 30 seconds. Then I'm going in with my turmeric. Give that a good stir. Then our thyme, and I'm using fresh thyme. If you have the dry one, that is just fine. Thyme is a really good key ingredient for this dish. And the rest of the seasoning here that I use will be in the description box as well. Give that a good stir. Mix it up well. Smells absolutely amazing. Then we are going to add our coconut milk. Give that a good stir, and here you can actually taste and adjust your seasonings here to your likeness and taste. I did add just a little bit more bouillon there. Then we are going to bring this to a boil, then go in with the corn. Cover. Look amazing. So this actually took about 40 minutes until the coconut milk actually reduces. It becomes really nice and thick and so much flavor is in here, guys. I did also add some carrots. It was just absolutely amazing. Look at that broth, guys. I need some rice. I don't know about you. All right, that is just beautiful. And we are going to pour that right over the corn. It's going to sit in that broth and absorb all that beautiful flavor. So again, guys, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, I would encourage you to please do so you will not miss any of these amazing recipes. All right, see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.